放里面去了，看到啊。Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair, and the summertime is coming. If you want a wig which is very easy to wear and take off, very convenient, and most convenient wig, you can try this headband wig. This is our headband wig. It's a wig made of our headband, Remy human hair, 18 inches. You can see that our Remy hair is very full, very thick, and very silky. This is 18 inches and all our hair is very much true to the length. And this headband wig is so easy to use. Like it has comb, you can the headband, you can so easily wear it and take off anytime you want. And we can make this headband wig into different hair color, different hair textures, all textures like curly or weaving we can make, and we can also make into different colors as well. You can see like this kind of a brown color, chocolate color, or any colors you want. And this is a color here we make from our Remy hair. Beautiful, right? And so we can also make the headband wig with our raw hair as well, so that raw hair, different textures, different density, different colors, so it's very flexible, and we can make it very fast, customize all your wigs really fast. So if you want headband wig or any type of hair, feel free to contact us or directly place your order on our website. Thank you for watching today's video. If you have any question, comment below, and have a nice day.